Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very cool video for you. It's a 2025 Lexus GX550. Last time we had done the Overtrail trim package with some Vossen wheels and a Westcott lift kit. Today we're going to be doing the Luxury Plus version of this SUV. I think it's a little bit nicer maybe than the last one that we had done. It does have a different color to it. This one's a silver color. I really like that. We're going to be doing the Westcott Designs 2.5-inch lift kit, and we're going to be doing 24-inch Vossen wheels. I think it's the HF63s, the gloss black, really nice wheel. And then we're going to be doing a 35-inch, which is a metric size 315 45 24 Nittos Recon grappler, which is like a 35 1150 24 tire. There's going to be some more cutting on this one, I'm sure about it, but we have been definitely doing research on this vehicle, and I think we can trim enough to make it work and still look really good. So stay tuned for the process. I'm going to go over the vehicle on the outside and show you what it looks like. So thank you. So this one's definitely a pretty SUV. It's very nice. It comes with a 22-inch factory wheel. Comes with that power step that I showed in the other clip. Very nice. It really drives good too. Very good looking SUV. It already has the windows tinted in it, so we're about to get started on it right now. So you would have just watched the cinematic shots of the Lexus GX550, and this vehicle was for a buddy of mine, Jeremy. We've built several vehicles for him, and this one turned out awesome. I think this is for his wife, I'll be honest with you. I didn't really talk to him about it too much. Leo up here sold this job, and he knocked it out of the park. I had put a video out before in the past of a GX550. We did 22s and 33s. I guess I was wrong on the fitment. I guess you could go bigger and you could cut a little bit more off of it and make it fit. I stand corrected. They put 35s and 24s on this one, and it looks phenomenal. I don't know if you could have done it better. I think it's the best it could be. So wanted to say I appreciate Jeremy. Big shout out to him for the business, and everybody that's watching at home, I wanted to say thank you for that. He did have to leave early in the truck. I did not get to walk around the truck and say, you know, what size tires on it and what I like about it, what I don't like about it and all that. But I did get a lot of content on it before he did have to leave. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you have any questions about this Lexus, this is our third or fourth one we've done now. So we should be pretty much savvy at this point. So if you have any questions, call us. We'll try to work through it. If you want to build one, obviously we'd love to do it for you. So the number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. We're in McDonough, Georgia. I appreciate you watching, and see you on the next one.